I'm back here with another video. I haven't recorded in a long time. We're in war, we're completely dominating. 10 on 10. I haven't shot a video in 2 weeks. There's a reason about that. I forgot to record. Alright. So, this video, I'm gonna, right now I'm gonna attack. I'm attacking mine. If my nose is a little stuffy, so if I'm a little like that, I'm a little sick, so let's see this attack. Let's see what he did wrong. That's what he did wrong. Okay, don't put everything right there. Alright. So this is what I got. My normal attack, and I got a dragon in the clan castle. And then the lightning stuff. Okay, let's go. I'm going back there. Now we got taken out. Coming from down here. Wall breaker. Right there. Here, guys. Alright. We still might have this. If those wizards could hit that out quick enough. Yes, I think we got this 3 star. We definitely got the 2 star. Maybe the 3 star. Don't know. The 3 star might happen. I'm scared. Alright, so, almost got the 3 stars. This wizard can go and take that out. He might have this. Nope. 2 stars. Oh, I messed up. Look at my other attack against I did on this Town Hall 7. You can see that this base is premature. This base is premature. Got my dragon right there. Dropped an archer right there. We have like a big space. Dropped another one. Set off a couple traps. Then put my drive right there. Let's speed it up. I'm going to drop my balloons there. I put all of them there so they could pick up. There's 3 defenses right there. Right there, and right there. And they took it out. And I got the 3 stars. It's easy to use. Over here, and then I got the 3 stars. This always happens. I never get to hear so. This is my video. Peace. See you in the next video. Peace.